Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to share Discord profile link on PC. Whether you want to send it to a friend or use it for networking, we'll guide you through the process with easy-to-follow steps. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Discord app on your PC. If you're using the web version, go to discord.com and log into your account. Now, click on your username in the bottom left corner. A small menu will appear with an option called Copy User ID. Click on it, and your Discord user ID will be copied to your clipboard. Step 2. If you don't see the option in the menu, don't worry. You can also get your user ID through User Settings. Click on the gear icon next to your username to open Settings. In the My Account section, find the 3 dots next to your Discord tag. Click on them and then select Copy User ID from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Once you have copied your user ID, you'll need to format it into a profile link. Open a text editor or browser and paste your user ID. Now add it to the end of this link, /discord.com/users, your user ID. For example, if your user ID is this, your full profile link will be select/discord.com/users this. Now you can share this link with anyone and they will be able to view your Discord profile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your Discord profile link on PC. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.